Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get right into the video. I'll be sharing with y'all how I make a homemade coconut cake. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm going to preheat the oven to 375. That way that'll be going. Okay, and get started. Okay, I'm going to be using coconut milk, coconut extract, eggs, baking powder, sugar, flour, and butter. You can use butter or margarine, but I am using butter today because that's what I have in my refrigerator. Also, I've got my 2 pans. I've got them greased and floured, so they're ready to go. Okay, so let's get started. Smells just like coconut. It smells really good. Okay, the oven's ready. So okay, it's been 35 minutes and they are done. So I'm going to pull them out and let them cool off. And I'll be back in a little bit to do my icing. Okay, for the icing, I'm going to be using confectioner sugar, lowered coconut milk, and coconut extract. Okay. Cake turned out beautiful, and it's cut the top off so it was no hump, so it's flat. Some icing in it. Try and make it even here. Now I'm going to take a little bit of coconut flakes. Just sprinkle a little bit in here. Just a little bit more. So I got it on the... Okay. Sure I got it on there straight. The icing doesn't have to be perfectly smooth because I'm going to put coconut flakes on it. So you're not going to see. So I'm not going to worry with it too much. Just make sure around the edges are smooth. Like that. And then we'll wipe off the extra that I have. These flakes. I'm just gonna try to make it as even as possible. It's okay, no matter if it's higher in some spots and not the other. Just kind of just get it as even as you can. And as far as the sides go, I kind of just do like this. And I have to clean my mess up around it when I'm done. There's no way of doing this and it just be all perfect. You definitely want to clean up a little bit after you do it. Oh wow, that's so soft. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. I'm trying to get it where we can. Okay, now to taste it. I'm so excited. It looks so good. Oh, and it's so moist. That's good. It has a delicious coconut flavor. One more bite and then I'll stop. That is really good. Very moist, fluffy, wonderful coconut flavor. Please give this recipe a try. It is amazing. With that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.